inaugural speech, so I'll start with the basic things. I'm a true believer that that our thoughts become our realities. For example, if we tend to think about negative and hateful things, we indeed become a negative person. And we tend to think that, and the point is that you are able to twist your mind so much that you can actually convince yourself that you're worthless. And at the same time, you can focus and train your mind on the positive things and the good things in your life, such as your relationships, your achievements, the people who you love, your partners. And so it's either up to you what you want to choose, be negative or be positive. So in a way, it really impacts your life. The reason why I'm telling you this, because it holds a significant role in my life. So I'll start with the story, but before starting, I want you to follow me on a quote. The quote is, let yourself
Let yourself
be silently drawn
be silently drawn
by the strange pull
by the strange pull
of what you really love.
of
of what you really love.
It will not leave you astray.
It
It
will
will
not
not
leave
leave
you.
you astray.
And I want you to promise yourself that whenever you think of a situation that you feel that your interest, whatever you like to do and whatever your interests are, and you think that I should do what I'm supposed to do in your work and your things, please never do it again, because I've really experienced it. So I'll start with the story now. After my 12th exams were over, so the result came out, and I was pretty much disappointed with the result because I couldn't score above a 90 bar, and so I was hopeless, totally hopeless, I would say. So one last shot that I had was the BMS entrance exam. And now what happened was, during my 10th classes, 10th grade and 9th grade, we used to have aptitude books. I didn't know at that point of time, I didn't know about the aptitude books, like what importance they hold. So I just enjoyed doing solving the problems and mathematical questions. So I just enjoyed them. And and I also took up a job at a BPO sector after my 12th exams. So I mean, you can say I had some pretty much experience of personal interviews. So when on my day of like BMS entrance exam, when we were supposed to go to the examination center, I forgot my admit card at home. So it was only 1 hour left back to, so I went back home to get my card and reached the examination center. And there was so much adrenaline rushing out of my body. So what to do, what not to do. I was so tensed and like, what can I do? So what happened was, after the results came out, not only I was able to clear out the exams without any coaching, I even scored a rank 81 in the entrance exam. And during the second stage of my personal interview, so my call center experience came in handy. So again, what happened was, because in all my journeys I was traveling alone, in the examination also and for the interview also. I got lost in Paschim Vihar. I was about to reach Pitampura, but somehow I got lost in Paschim Vihar. And there was this nice uncle who gave me lift and told me that, where are you supposed to go? I told him that there's a college nearby called Keshav Mahavidyalaya, and he told me that there's only one science college there, but I don't know the name. So I took a leap of faith in going with him. So he dropped me there, and I was like, oh, something can happen or something cannot happen. It's totally up to me. So again, I reached there, and somehow the interview process was going very late, and I cleared the interview. And there I am, and I'm standing here because, and so that's why I want to tell you, if I have kept on whining over my lost marks and stood there and did nothing, I wouldn't be standing here. I wouldn't have come to CBS. I wouldn't have met Siddharth sir, and I wouldn't be got the chance to become at ISF. So I want to take this quote personally and remember this every time. So this is one story that like inspired me and reflect on my things. And apart from that, I love device called computer. I would like to thank Charles Babbage for producing this machine because I'm very enthusiastic about it, and I love spending so much time on it. But don't consider me as myself as a geek. Uh, and I also like with this enthusiasm, I've mastered C++ on my own. I've mastered Adobe Photoshop. I produce videos. I do graphic designing, and now I'm learning Excel and Python. And apart from that, I'm a good basketball player. I play cricket too. I'm a violinist.
Wow.
So thank you.